Hello friends, here we are with the premium starter kit from Young Living, and I just have a few quick tips and tricks to share with you. So let's go ahead and open up the box. First thing you'll find in the cover is a little envelope that carries some important information like the essential oils at a glance. Pull this out, read it over, and see exactly how best to use these oils. Second, take the oils out of the box. So either put these around like lavender in the bedroom and pan away in your sports bag and so on and so forth. Or on the back there are these little flaps that fold down so that you can actually stand this upright. Next, there is this nifty little hidden compartment where your Ningxia Red samples are. Take those, throw them in the refrigerator. They are delicious chilled. We got these little sample bottles which you can actually use to fill with the entire kit and throw those in your purse. We have sample sachets which you can hand out or use them yourself as well. These little bottles also attached to these cards with information, so you could share those with friends. And then most importantly, the Stress Away and the roller fitment that comes with it. So I'm going to set you down here and share with you how to get the orifice out of the top of the bottle and exchange it with the roller fitment. Kind of a nifty little tidbit of information. If you look really close at the top of this bottle, there is a tiny little hole, and that tiny little hole is where the oil actually comes out. The big hole in the middle is actually what allows the air into the bottle. So just kind of some interesting information for you there. Next we're going to use the top of the bottle as a lever. So we're going to just use it to pry the orifice out. And it doesn't take much to get it out. Do it carefully so you don't dump the whole bottle of oil all over. Some people find that you have to take the safety ring off in order to get the roller fitment in. I have not found that to be the case. Next we've got the roller fitment that you just set in the top. You don't have to force it down or anything. And then the lid is what you use to screw the fitment down into the bottle. You'll typically hear a click. Mine's been used a few times so it doesn't click anymore. But then take that top off and just make sure that there is no gap between the top of the bottle and the roller fitment, so before you use it and start rolling it on, you don't dump it out all over the place. To get the roller fitment out, you use the cap of the roller fitment again to pry the roller fitment out, and this might take a little bit of effort the first couple times, but eventually it comes out really easily. The same thing with the larger bottles. Some people say that the smaller bottle, you have to take the safety ring off in order to get the roller fitment in, whereas you can leave it on the larger bottle. Again, I haven't found that to be the case. And then finally, we've got a third-party bottle. Again, same idea. Excuse me. Use the cap to pop out the roller fitment and just set the roller fitment in there and use the cap to screw the roller fitment down into the bottle. And then just double check to make sure that there's no gap. If you found this helpful, please like my video. Feel free to follow me on YouTube. And I hope you have a great and blessed day.